I'm glad to see me, Ronald. My channel, Simple Electronics, Phone Repairing and Radio etc. Today I want to show you how you can remove all the screen and you put a new one. This phone is working, but the screen is dead. Now we want to remove old one. We put new one. Simple way. See, the phone is working, but the screen is not working. Let me start. Sure. This is the old screen. Now we are going to fix another one. This is a new one.
Ayi fina na charge hotoro de charging ani kujaje ya.
Now the screen is okay. The phone is over. Simple things. Thank you very much to show me. Next time.